In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Monarch Money works for couples if you and your partner want a clear way to track shared spending while still keeping individual expenses organized. This quick setup will help you do exactly that. Start by going to monarch.com and opening the app. Once you're in, head to Settings. Depending on your view, you'll find it in the sidebar or near the top right. Settings is where you control how your money is organized, so it's the best place to start when you're creating a couple's workflow. Inside Settings, choose Categories. In Monarch, categories are the labels you'll put on each transaction, while groups are the higher-level buckets that hold related categories. For couples, creating a group for each partner keeps things clean and easy to track. Click Create Group. When the new group opens, give it a clear name that represents one partner. You might use a first name, initials, or simply Partner A. Pick something you'll both recognize at a glance. A consistent naming convention now will save you time later when you're reviewing transactions or budgets. Next, choose how you want to budget for this group, by group or by category. Here's the difference. Budget by group gives you one monthly amount for the entire partner group and treats all categories inside it as part of that single envelope. That's great if you prefer a simple number for personal spending. Budget by category lets you set distinct amounts for each category under the partner's group, like dining, clothing, or hobbies, while still rolling them up under that partner. This works well if you want more granular control. You can always adjust this later if your needs change, so don't worry about locking it in perfectly on day one. When you're happy with the name and budgeting choice, click Save. This creates the first partner structure and gets you ready for the second. Repeat the same process to add a group for the other partner. Create the group, name it clearly, choose whether you'll budget at the group level or at the category level, and save. With two groups in place, you now have a simple system to separate personal spending while keeping everything under one household view. A couple of quick tips as you use this setup. Keep names short and consistent so they're easy to scan on reports. If you're unsure which budgeting mode to pick, start with budget by group for a simpler experience, then switch to budget by category if you need more detail. And review the results together monthly to stay aligned. That's it. Two partner groups, a clear budgeting approach, and a smoother way to manage money as a team.